What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to turn this boring pocket, very small, into this nice big extra large pocket just by extending it with a little bit of fabric. So yeah guys, this is just a fun, simple battle jacket modification. If you don't know what a battle jacket is and you want to know how to make one, I have a video, I'll link it in the description, showing you how to make a battle jacket and explaining what it is. So the fabric I'm gonna be using is the sleeves that I cut off my battle jacket. So I'm gonna show you when I'm finished cutting the strip of fabric out. So this is the piece of fabric that I'm gonna be, yeah, it's like this. This is a piece of fabric that I'm gonna be using. It actually comes here, so then I'm just gonna use this piece. So yeah. So all that I've done is I have pinned the fabric where I want it. So now I'm just gonna start sewing it. So yeah. So I've just finished sewing on this piece of fabric to the edge of the old pocket, so I can extend it to make a new bigger pocket. I have also finished hemming this edge so I can sew it on over here to finish the pocket. So that's what I've done so far. So I've just finished pinning this pocket to the jacket, and I'm gonna start sewing a running stitch, and yeah, that's all that I've done so far. So I've just finished sewing on this edge here. So this edge is done. I've left a little bit of a allowance, so when I hem it, there's it'll be easier for me to sew. So yeah, now I'm gonna work on this side and then just have to hem this and then I'm gonna be finished. So I've just finished pinning this side of the pocket. So I've finished sewing on that side. I've pinned it. I'm just gonna quickly give it a little hem and then I'm gonna start sewing it onto the rest of the jacket. So I've finished hemming this side. Now I've just pinned it and I'm gonna start sewing it. So yeah. So I've just finished sewing on this side. So the pocket extension is basically done. I have this whole big pocket now. So yeah, I just need to hem this and then I'll be finished. So I've pinned the top parts, and I'm just gonna hem it and then I'm gonna be done with this pocket extension. So yeah guys, I've finished sewing, hemming this top bit, and now yeah, I'm finished extending the pocket, so it's a pretty big pocket now. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. It's a fun battle jacket modification. So I've extended and sewn in both of my pockets on the inside of my battle jacket. So yeah, this was a fun little battle jacket modification. It was a fun tutorial. It wasn't really as much as a tutorial as more of a in-depth walkthrough of the process of how I modified my battle jacket. You guys can do this too. If you want to see more of my videos, check out my channel. Please subscribe. Comment down below for any suggestions for future videos. Bye guys.